Hey family, welcome back to the Hillside Homestead. Well, the wood is put away for the winter and it is now time to harvest these sweet potatoes. And they have been in the ground since May 9th. So they have been over the 130 days. So I know it's time for me to harvest them. So I'm going to turn you around. The first thing I'm going to do is to clear all the sweet potato leaves out of the little sweet potato patch I have going here. Now I planted some late ones up there, as you can see, and they might take a little longer than these, but I'm going to work on these today. Okay, I hope you can see where I am. What I'm going to do is to pull these vines up here that are in where I planted the sweet potato slips at, and I can already see them in the ground, but we're going to get all these vines up first. As I'm pulling, the little ones, we'll come back and get those. Some good sized ones. Get over in here. Oh, I love that one. So I'm getting all these vines up so I can see where I need to dig in for the sweet potatoes without damaging them. And all these sweet potato leaves are going right in my compost. So we're not wasting anything. All right, I'm gonna get all these up and we'll bring you back on the second part. Okay family, I finished getting up all the sweet potato vines. I have a big pile here. And as I was pulling up, you can see the sweet potatoes that came up with the vines. So kind of excited to see what is underground since I see all these lovely sweet potatoes on top. Okay, I'm going to start digging for my sweet potato treasures. I have to be careful again because I don't want to ruin them. But I left my bucket up there. As you can see, they're looking pretty good. So I'm going to start up here. And I don't think you can see me real good, but I will show you what I find. As I'm digging. Little ones in here. Go. so afraid that I'm going to dig right into them. I think I will go get my little shovel so I don't ruin them all. Okay, I'm going to use this. And I'll just start right down here where you can see me. Still got rocks in here. Little ones. That's a nice size one. Looking good so far. All right, I'm going to continue this process. It's going to take me a while, and I'll bring you back and show you the harvest. Okay, family, I am finished. I probably left a few in the ground, but what I'm going to do now is plant a cover crop. And I think I'm going to do turnips, and that will keep the weed down and it'll feed the soil for next year. But let me show you my treasure. It is just wonderful. I had to go get another bucket, y'all. Anyway, I think this was one of my biggest ones, and I chopped it. I was trying so hard. Anyway, but God really, really blessed. Really blessed. There are a few screeny ones in there, but I am just so blessed. Look at this. Look at these sweet potatoes. Was it worth it? Oh, yes, it was. Reminds me of a parable Jesus tells. Actually, he tells a bunch of parables in Matthew 13. What the kingdom of heaven is worth. And he tells a parable about a man who found a treasure in the field. The kingdom of heaven is like that treasure. The man didn't own the field. I don't know how he got on the field, but he found a treasure there, and he went and sold all he had to buy that field. He hid the treasure, and he went and sold all he had to buy that field. That's what the kingdom of heaven is worth. That's what Jesus is worth, because he paid such an awesome price for us. Are you willing to give all you have for the kingdom of heaven? Your life, your habits, everything. Just give it all up and give it to Jesus. Do you love him that much? And if you don't know God, oh, please just email me. I will give you something. I will teach you whatever you need to know to love my Savior, Jesus Christ. Family, God bless you. I pray that you have an awesome, awesome day. Be a blessing if you can on this nice fall day. Give God everything you have. And we'll see you next time on the Hillside Homestead. And yes, I have a lot of cleaning up to do in the garden. God bless you, family.